go back at it. She ain't never do this before, but she good at it. So she never made love, but she good at it. She doesn't feel good when I look at it. I get goosebumps when I look at it. Oh, girl, just wanna have fun with it. Only girl, just wanna have fun with me.
Todd, can you play that again?
Go back at it. 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 Go back.
Hey girl, bring it back.
Back at it. Back at it.
Girl, bring it back.
Back at it. Back at it.
Girl, bring it back.
Back at it. Go back at it. Back at it. Go back.
Hey peaches, it's Brianna here, back with another video, and today I just got on myself about not filming and how I wanted to be successful. So we're gonna make some chicken tenders. Okay, so I'm trying this new recipe. I don't know what I'm doing. So I have some egg wash here with some ranch. Yep, this is a new recipe I just came up with. Like, I'm just about to try it out. Then I saw Bongo make chicken with some cornflakes, so that's what we're going to use. Crush those things up right here. Got some flour, didn't pour it out on the plate yet, and I got my seasoned chicken. So let's get started. Oh, don't mind this thing there. Let's get started. Okay, so over there, as you can see, right, oh, wait, right there, I have the okay, I have the oil heating up and stuff. So we're gonna take a chicken, and then I don't have any mixing utensils. We're gonna dip it in the flour. I seasoned this flour with some onion powder and some Cajun seasoning. So let's just dip it in there. Roll that thing around in there. By the way, this is a brand new recipe, so I don't know what I'm doing. So we're just gonna make one for right now, and then yeah. So after I coat that, let's dip it in the egg wash, cause why not? So dipped it in the egg wash, and by the way, I put ranch inside of this egg wash. So yeah, should I dip it back in the flour, or should I just go for the frosted flakes? I'm just gonna go for frosted flakes. This is a trial and error, so right in the frosted flakes. Oh, maybe we should have dipped it back in the flour. Maybe we should have dipped it back in the flour. I don't know. So yeah, let's get this thing covered in some chips. Oh, we could have used like Doritos or something too. That probably would have been better. Dorito chicken. Okay. Let's get that all coated up in here. Let's get this. I think these chunks are too big, but look, ain't nobody feel like crushing up all this. So yeah. This looks, oh my gosh. I really think I'm a genius. This looks so beautiful. Okay. Let's test it off. Oh my. Oh, killer. The little strawberry in the thing. Oh my gosh. Should we do another one? We should just wait. Let's just cook that and see how it is. And then I'll come back with the taste test. Bye, guys. Not editing. I don't know if this oil hot enough, but I only had it in for 30 seconds. But I just wanted to show you guys this crisp. Look at that gorgeous crisp. Look at this gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let that cook. Let's let that cook. Guys, so it's done. Sorry, I took it out without you guys. Look at. Okay, so guys, I just made two more. Okay, this one I put just flour, but I put it in flour, then I put it in egg wash, and I put it back in the flour, and I didn't put any cornflakes on it. And then this one, hold on, give me a second. This one right here, I only put flour on it. I didn't put no egg wash, or I didn't double bread it or anything. So we'll compare the two and see which one is better. Yeah. Okay, so first of all, this one looks better than this one. This one is just floured one time. Don't mind that. And this one is floured, dipped in egg wash, and then floured again. And you could tell that this breading is so much softer because it was dipped in egg wash more than this one. Look, y'all hear that? ASMR. Look. Okay, anyway, let's try this. Try the single, oh y'all heard that? The single breaded chicken tender. Oh, that's a lot of smoke. Okay. Here we go. It's not bad, but you could definitely tell it's a little dry. The skin, the meat itself isn't dry because I didn't leave it in there for too long, but the skin part is a little dry. So now we're gonna try this one. Wow, that just overall cuts much better. Oh my god. Do you guys see this perfect cut? Oh my gosh, let me show you another piece. Do you see this perfect? You already know that that one is better. Let's try this. Look hot, look. Yeah. That one is so much better. That one is so good. Let's just bite it. God dang. You see how easy that was just to bite? Now let's bite this one. The single breaded one. That was a little harder. Okay. Okay. Now that we found. Now that we found our recipe, which is this one, you want to cook the rest of them like this. And maybe make a nice salad. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys, she is enjoying my chicken tenders that I made her. Yep, nice and tender.
Scrumptious.